In today's video, we'll be discussing a scalping trading strategy that utilizes three powerful indicators to maximize your win rate. Our primary indicator will be the alpha trend. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to execute this strategy effectively and with confidence. To begin, add the alpha trend indicator to your chart by searching for it in the indicators section. This indicator will be crucial for identifying entry points in our strategy. However, we'll need to tweak its settings first. Under the Input tab, adjust the multiplier to 0.7 and the comment period to 9. You can leave the default settings under the Style tab. The alpha trend indicator generates buy and sell signals by analyzing the relationship between two moving averages. It helps determine when the price is likely to reverse direction or maintain its current trend. However, it may generate inaccurate signals during consolidating trends. But I will mitigate this drawback by utilizing two supplementary free indicators to screen out unreliable alpha trend indications during consolidation phases. To mitigate this drawback, we will incorporate the Moving Average Convergence Divergence or MACD indicator as our secondary indicator. We will need to optimize the MACD indicator by adjusting its settings. We'll set the fast length to 9 and the slow length to 14. Then we'll change the oscillator MA type and signal MA type to SMA. Within the Style tab, we'll require the histogram and zero line options so we can disable the other choices. We'll also change color 0 to green and color 3 to red. The MACD histogram's color will serve as a confirmation tool for the alpha trend indicator's generated signals. When the MACD histogram is green and above the zero line, the buy signal is corroborated and we can enter a long position. Conversely, if the histogram is red and below the zero line, the sell signal is confirmed and we can take a short position. We must now add the final indicator to the chart to help maximize the win rate of this trend-following strategy. This indicator is called the 10-in-1 different moving average. And now, let's customize its settings. Under the Input tab, set the method to SMA and the period to 145. Adjust the color and thickness of the indicator line under the Style tab. This indicator will act as a robust trend filter alongside the MACD, ensuring high probability trades. When entering a trade, we'll look for alignment between all these indicators. For a buy trade, the alpha trend should generate a buy signal. The MACD histogram should be green and above the zero line. And the price should be above the moving average. Buy at the close of the signal candlestick. Place a stop loss below a recent swing low. And aim for a profit target of 1.5 times the amount of risk. For a sell trade, the alpha trend should generate a sell signal. The MACD histogram should be red and below the zero line. And the price should be below the moving average. Sell short at the close of the signal candlestick. Place a stop loss above a recent higher price point. And aim for a profit target of 1.5 times the amount of risk. But if you're consistently realizing losses in your trading and unable to achieve sustained profitability, watching this video could provide insights into tactics that may help refine your trading strategy and enable you to start capturing the market's momentum with precise execution.